So you got your Nigh Hawk Carbon Monoxide detector, you got your 9-volt battery, and then you have your Phillips screwdriver. This is all you need. So let's go ahead and flip this around, locate the screw, and then just go ahead and unscrew this right here. Okay, let's get that one taken out. Now that that's done, obviously you see the arrows here pointing down. Use your thumb, pop that open, and then let's go ahead and remove this right here. Oh, don't eat this, by the way. Don't do that. Okay, so pretty simple here. You can see the diagram for the 9-volt battery. Just go ahead and match it up, as you can see here based on the diagram. And then all you gotta do, and this is where it gets a little tricky, but you would see some grooves here on each side. All you have to do is just line it up. You'll see here you have some good cutouts, and then all you have to do is just slide this one back in, just like that. Then last thing you do is you take your screwdriver here. If you have one with a magnetic tip, it makes it a little bit easier for you. Well, let's go ahead and get that in. Line that screw up. And let's just get this one screwed back in here. All right, that's all done. Let's go ahead and power this on. All right, there we go. And then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, move to fresh air. Okay, we're dead. I'm just kidding, I'm not dead. You'll see here that you do see the green light once it's all done. All you have to do is just go ahead and plug this into your socket here without any issues.